like this? Like this? Do you like brinjal? Obviously, I don't. This mirchi, lemon, we are forced to eat these vegetables, right? Do you think this is important for us? This is essential for us? Why our mommy always say, eat this bindi, eat this pumpkin? Why? I don't eat this. आपको क्या पता है हमें इसमें से क्या मिलता है? Why these are very much essential for our body? Do you think vitamins चैप्टर के every डाउट तुम्हारे क्लियर हो चुके हैं? अगर इसका आंसर yes है तो फिर check out this video. You must be getting some extra knowledge from these vitamins in this video, and if you have any doubt in these vitamins, so please check out till the end of this video so that you will be cleared all of your doubt. तो फिर आज का टॉपिक तो यही है vitamins, because all these vegetables contains vitamins in it. So what are these vitamins are? So these vitamins are organic molecules that is essential for our body and health. ये जो विटामिन होता है ये एक कार्बनिक यौगिक है जिससे हमें कोई ऊर्जा प्राप्त नहीं होती, हमें कोई कैलोरीज नहीं मिलती. मतलब दिस विटामिन doesn't give any calories to us, no calories, but it is essential for our body to protect ourselves. हमारी बॉडी को ये रक्षा करता है किससे? From any pathogens or diseases. Okay, so there are two types of vitamins are there. Total 13 essential vitamins are there. Fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. So this vitamin is categorized into two types of vitamins. But before going into the types of vitamins, I should promote my channel, right? So hello friends, welcome to new student lecture video from Subhas Biology, and in this class we will study vitamins. But today's class we will study fat soluble vitamins, is otherwise known as lipid soluble vitamins, right? So this fat soluble vitamins. So fat soluble, from the name you can suggest it is stored in fatty tissue, right? So there are four vitamins are there. These are fat soluble vitamins, and 9 vitamins are there. These are water soluble vitamins. ये हो गया हमारा दो प्रकार के विटामिन. पहला हो गया फैट सोल्यूबल विटामिन एंड दूसरा हो गया वाटर सोल्यूबल विटामिन. सो आज हम पढ़ेंगे इस 4 विटामिन जो कि फैट में सोल्यूबल होते हैं, राइट? सो दिस फैट सोल्यूबल विटामिन आर विटामिन ए, डी, ई and K, right? So today in this class we will study in detail about the A, D, E. Start vitamin A. So I am writing here, please excuse me. Vitamin A. We will read chemical name. Its sources, from where we get from all this vitamin A, and deficiency diseases. By the deficiency of vitamin A, what diseases can be occurred, and the function of this vitamin A, right? So this vitamin A is otherwise known as retinal, or you can also say it as retinol. I am writing here, just I am citing this. Vitamin A is otherwise, the chemical name of vitamin A is retinal or retinol. You must be getting confused because retinol, when it contains an alcoholic group, it is called as retinol. When it contains an aldehyde group, it is the retinal group, right? So now we'll move to the function. What is the function of vitamin A? हमें विटामिन A क्यों लेना चाहिए हमारे बॉडी में, हमारे फूड में, हमारे फूड मटेरियल्स में? तो फिर विटामिन ए का क्या काम है? तो विटामिन ए जो है इट इज एसेंशियल फॉर आवर बोन्स, स्किन एंड ऑल्सो दिस आईसाइट. आई हैव ए आईसाइट प्रॉब्लम, राइट? सो बट I don't have this deficiency of vitamin A because it is different from vitamin A deficiency. So I will tell you this. Okay. So it is essential for our bones. वो हड्डियों की मजबूती के लिए हमें विटामिन ए चाहिए. और फिर ग्लोइंग अप स्किन, हमारे स्किन जो है, हमारे स्किन को ग्लो करने के लिए हमें विटामिन ए चाहिए. और फिर फाइनली हो गया हमारा आईसाइट. एक डिजीज सुना है आपने, नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस, वही. ये जो होता है ये विटामिन ए के डेफिशिएंसी से होता है. सो द डेफिशिएंसी डिजीज दैट अकर्स ड्यू टू द लैक ऑफ विटामिन ए इज, so D refers to a deficiency disease, right? So it will leads to night blindness. Means after the evening you cannot see anything. Night blindness. और xerophthalmia. So this is the disease that is occurred due to the deficiency of vitamin A. हमें अंधेरी में कुछ नहीं दिखाई देता. That is the deficiency of vitamin A. So अब हो गया deficiency disease. Now we'll come to the main part, and that are the sources. What are the sources of vitamin E? Vitamin A is, I'm extremely sorry, that is vitamin A. So how, from which food we are getting this vitamin A? So all these things will.
We get vitamin A from broccoli, meat, egg, avocado, melon, and also the carrots. The pictures you are seeing, these are all the vitamin A food materials.
Now we will move to the next fat soluble vitamin, and that is the vitamin D. अब हम पढ़ेंगे विटामिन डी के बारे में. विटामिन डी क्या होता है, कहाँ से मिलता है, विटामिन डी की खासियत क्या है, इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है, राइट? सो नाउ विल स्टडी विटामिन डी. So the chemical name of this vitamin D is cholecalciferol. But we get 80% of vitamin D from the sunlight. Don't confuse with this, because we don't get directly vitamin D from the sunlight. We have vitamin D in our skin cells, but it is activated through the UV light or the sunlight from the sun rays, right? So this vitamin D, the vitamin D that comes from the sunlight, that is called as ergocalciferol. It comes from the sunshine. Ergocalciferol. Right. So it comes from the sunshine. So that's why that D2 and D3 vitamin is cholecalciferol and ergocalciferol, right? So when we are exposed to sunlight, हम जब बाहर जाते हैं, हमारे स्किन सेल्स के अंदर जो विटामिन डी होता है वो, when we are exposed to our sunlight, they get activated. This vitamin get activated, so that we get from the, so we are saying that we are getting vitamin D from the sunlight, right? So these are actually activated through when we are exposed to sunlight. तो ये हो गया विटामिन डी के बारे में. उसका केमिकल नेम तो आपको पता चल गया ही होगा. अब हम पढ़ेंगे डेफिशिएंसी डिजीज. विटामिन डी के डेफिशिएंसी से हमें कौन सा डिजीज होता है, एंड दैट इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली यू मस्ट हैव रेड इन योर लोअर क्लासेस रिकेट्स एंड ऑस्टियोमेलेसिया, दैट इज वीकनिंग ऑफ बोन्स. So this happens in the children, and this happens in case of adults. विटामिन डी का फंक्शन यही है कि वो हमारे बोन्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग करने में हेल्प करता है. तो फिर इसका सोर्सेज क्या है, हमें विटामिन डी कहाँ से मिलती है? एक तो हो गया हमारा सनलाइट, जिससे हमें पता चलता है कि एर्गोकैल्सिफेरॉल हमें विटामिन डी 3 जो हमें सनशाइन से मिलती है, और बहुत सारे चीज़ें हैं जैसे कि मिल्क, एग. Now we'll study vitamin E, and that is my favorite vitamin. Do you know why? Because it is the beauty vitamin. It contains antioxidant. It doesn't only contain antioxidant, it is a beauty vitamin. So this is my favorite vitamin E, and the chemical name of this vitamin E is tocopherol. You can check the spelling, right? Tocopherols, or in some books it is written as tocotrienols, right? So that is my favorite vitamin, vitamin E. So that is it is an antioxidant as well as it is the beauty vitamin. Why, I will tell you. Because it helps our body, our cells from getting damaged. When we get older and older, it helps in early aging. Means if you have crossed 40 to 50 years, if you are taking so much of vitamin E, your cells, your skin will not be get wrinkled. ये जो मोच आ जाते हैं ना स्किन में, ये नहीं आएगा.
These foods are rich in vitamin D.
So our skins will not get wrinkled after the age of 40 to 50, right? So ये हो गया बहुत सारी बातें विटामिन ए के ई के बारे में. और अब हम पढ़ेंगे इसके फंक्शंस. So it helps in spermatogenesis, lactation and also in time of pregnancy. So what is spermatogenesis? Spermatogenesis is the process where sperms getting produced. Okay, so it helps in this spermatogenesis, lactation and also in case of pregnancy. So if what are the deficiency disease will occur in the deficiency of vitamin E? Deficiency disease is the sterility. Do you know what is sterility is? Sterility, or you may say it as impotency. IMPOTENCY, impotency मतलब गर्भधारण में कमी. अगर आपके अंदर विटामिन ई की कमी है तो फिर लड़कियों के लिए गर्भधारण की कमी हो सकती है. तो यू शुड टेक ए मोर अमाउंट ऑफ विटामिन ई व्हेन यू आर ईटिंग फूड्स, राइट, फॉर गर्ल्स. सो नाउ ये हो गया विटामिन ई के बारे में. अब हम पढ़ेंगे हमें विटामिन ई कहाँ से मिलती है, व्हाट आर द सोर्सेज ऑफ विटामिन ई. सो इट इंक्लूड्स,
ये सब फूड मटेरियल से हमें विटामिन ई मिलती है. सो दीज आर द फूड्स विच आर रिच इन विटामिन ई. These are the food materials which contains vitamin K.
We have reached at the vitamin K. So do you know why this K is given? The K is it is derived from the German word. It means this K refers to coagulation, right? It has come from the German word coagulation. So it is K here. Okay, so we are reading in this science that coagulation C, right? Coagulation means blood clotting. So it helps in blood clotting. So it is a blood clotting factor. The function of this vitamin K is it helps in blood clotting. It contains prothrombin, right? So the chemical name of this vitamin K, as you can see here, I have already written phyloquinone. We have to. It is a bit difficult, right, to remember. But just remember the chemical name of this vitamin K, that is phyloquinone. And it helps in blood coagulation or the blood clotting. Means if you have any accidental injury, if your vitamin K is a bit low, then it will bleed more. It will take more time to just clot. Okay, so the deficiency of this vitamin K leads to hemorrhages, excessive blood clot, excessive bleeding. So in case of any accidental injury, you will come across excessive bleeding. So that is the deficiency disease we have in case of deficiency of vitamin K. So ये हो गया हमारे 4 प्रकार के विटामिन के बारे में, A, D, E and K. If we are just forgetting the names vitamin A, D, E and K, so you can remember my trick. Fat soluble vitamins. It is a bit clumsy, please excuse me. You can remember ADEC. So by this word ADEC, you can remember all the fat soluble vitamins, right? This is the part 1 of this class, first fat soluble vitamin. Just wait for the part 2. It will be water soluble vitamins, water soluble vitamins, what are its sources, everything will be come in the part 2. So if you like this video, then subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment in the YouTube box and thumbs up for more inspiration, so that I will be inspired and prepare more video for you. Thank you.